today's video is a continuation in the vlog of doing my dad's bedroom up so he can move in with her, and a product review. So the product review is on this beautiful creature right here, and this is an electrical adjustable bed from ArchersSleepCentre. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today's video is a little continuation of the vlog that I am doing, which is doing my dad's bedroom out so he can move in, so I can help look after him and so on. And this vlog, or this product review, is this item right here. So we have an electrical bed, and guys, I am in love, but it hasn't been an easy ride. Oh my goodness gracious me. I was filming trying to get it in the house, and I basically stopped because we had a total nightmare. So when I came to order the bed, I paid an extra £50 for the delivery company to bring it up and set it up. But they got it up to the first floor, which is fantastic. They turned to the second lot of stairs to bring it up to this floor, the second floor, and they couldn't get it up, which was a total nightmare. They couldn't really do anything. It wasn't their fault, so I was like, yep, just leave it where it is. One thing I must say though, straight away off the bat, is the company that I bought this from, Archers, have been absolutely fantastic. I ordered the bed, and within an hour, way less than that if I'm honest, I'm being too generous saying within an hour, I got a telephone call just saying that yep, it's going to take 2 to 3 weeks because the bed is made after you order it at their suppliers. And I was like, yeah, that's absolutely fine. And they said they'll get in contact and arrange a date for delivery. And that's exactly what happened. It took about 2 weeks, got a telephone call, arranged for delivery. So yeah, fantastic there. When the bed could not be basically brought up the second lot of stairs, I rang Archer, spoke to a lovely gentleman, I can't remember his name, but a lovely guy, and I rang on a Friday, and it was after 1 o'clock, and their suppliers, where they get these made, finish early on a Friday. So he's like, look, I'll ring you back on Monday after I've got in contact with them, and see what we can do. Because I said this bed is basically 3.6 foot. Is it 3.6 foot? I think that's what it is. Basically it's large single. And I asked, would we be able to get this base into two bits, because it came in one big bit, and that's what the problem was. And he's like, yeah, I'll ask for you, I'll ask. If not, you may have to go down to a single bed or go up to a normal size double bed. And I was like, okay, well, we'll see what they say. But when my husband got in from work, he was like, no, we'll give it a go, we'll try to get it up the stairs. And again, I started filming. I thought, yes, let's film, let's get it up there and show them how it's done. Yeah, no. So basically, well, I'll show you a video of the aftermath. Right, so this is the remnants of my banister. So I'm on the middle floor at the moment. That is the stairs leading up to the second floor. Look at all that missing paintwork. And then, yeah, my banister. And that was to get the bed up. And not only that, this was a white wall. Can you see all them scuffs on the wall? We have a dent, marks leading all the way up the wall. That was getting the bed up there. It was a total nightmare. Yes, so that is my stairs leading up to the second floor. I have no banister. And even the banister all the way along, it's kind of got marks on it from getting the bed up, and that was us, not the removal guys. The delivery guys, I should say. They brought it in. They were absolutely fantastic as well. Although when they brought my mattress up, an ornament was knocked off my windowsill and it broke, but whatever, I should have moved it, I should have prepared beforehand, so again, totally my fault. But let's go into some information about this bed, order details and so on. So the company that I bought this from is called ArchersSleepCentre, and this bed is called Body Ease Electro Reflex Medium 3'6" large single electric adjustable bed. Now that's a title and a half. So the colour that I got for this was damask luxury silver. It goes with the whole theme of the bedroom. Once I get a theme, I have to stick to it. And it's a standard base to 18 stone. They do another base which is 18 stone and above, but I just needed an 18 stone one for my dad. And what is that? 13-inch, 33cm base, no drawers. So there you go. I also got the headboard as well to go with it, so it's an easy base and a 3'6" large single upholstered fabric stratted headboard. I paid for assembly, which was £50. I think I'm gonna have to contact them again and go, it wasn't actually assembled, can I have my £50 back please? And yeah, I paid for a delivery, a 2-man delivery, to get it to any room of my choice. So let's talk pricing and then we'll decide, was it worth the money? So the bed itself was £800.40. The headboard was £80.57. Assembly, I paid for it to be put together, which again I need to be refunded on, £50. And delivery for the 2 men to bring it to any room of my choice was £39. So the VAT was a little bit less because after I ordered the bed, I got another telephone call just asking, was the bed for myself? Was there a reason why I was getting this? Because if it was because of a condition or so on, something to do with VAT. So apparently I got that less or reduced or something. I explained I was buying it for my dad and he's got a big long list of stuff that's wrong with him. So I was like, right, let's start at the beginning. Arthritis. And I went, yep, that's one of the conditions on their list, and I'll stop there. So yeah. So altogether, the amount paid for this bed, I can't see because it's so small, was £969.97. So a lot of money. Yes, indeedy, it certainly is. So just going on their website now, just to look at the full details of the bed. It asks you questions and options of what you want for the bed. So it asks to choose a colour. So click to select colour, and there's quite a few colours to select from. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 colours to choose from. So let me just show you. So here it is. And then you can see like the material as well. So just quickly scrolling. Yeah, the different colours that you can get. And like I say, it asks you what frame you want. So there's the standard base, which is to 18 stone, which is this one, or there's a reinforced base which is to 25 stone. Then asks you if you want drawers in the base. So you can have 2 drawers on either side that you want. You can ask for a shallow base on 8-inch legs, or you can just get no drawers. We didn't get any drawers, it was pointless because the way that I've made this room, fingers crossed it should have enough storage. Then it asks you if you want a matching headboard, and there is 3 choices. So the first one being no, you don't want a headboard. The second one is the one that I have chosen here, and the third one, they are the same price by the way. The third choice was, like, it's a different shape, so that is the one I chose. That is the other one I could have possibly chosen. Then it asks you if you want a mattress protector. I chose not to actually have one, but the choices that it had was to have a terry toweling one, which was 100% waterproof. And the other one is a cool cotton sleep surface, 100% waterproof. yeah, so you could pick any one that you basically want. And then, like I say, assembly was £50 that I added on there. And then it also has a recycling service. I actually had to send them a message because I'm a bit of a dibby doo-doo and I didn't know. I was like, recycling service, what? And when they said it, it's kind of obvious when you think about it. But they're basically asking you if you have a bed and a mattress that you want to get rid of, do you want them to do it for you? So there's options like, yes, you want to recycle a base of a bed, they would take it away, which is £50. Recycle a mattress, so if you've got a mattress, they can take that away, £50. Or to recycle both, if you have a mattress and a base, they would take that away for £65. So that's quite a saving. And then I have another option, is if you want to recycle the base, the mattress and a headboard, they would obviously take those 3 away and that would be £70. Again, with doing this room out, there was no bed in here, we didn't need a recycling service. So what I'll do, if you want to check this bed out for yourself, I will link it down below in the information box and the comment box, give it a click. This is not sponsored, I purchased this myself for my dad. So the fun bit, let's have a little play. The bed is plugged in to a power point that is behind the headboard, and this is the remote control. So I'm just going to bring it in closer so we can have a little nosy. And just to give you a close-up of what the material looks like. Doesn't it look nice? It's got like a almost like a velvety touch to it. Really, really nice, and I love the colour that I've chosen. And then it matches the base very, very nicely. Sorry, the lighting isn't the best. So here it is. We have the hook for it to hook onto something. At the moment, we've just got a bedside table and we've hooked it on the first row. I think I'm going to get my husband to get something on the wall so we can just hook it on the wall so it's easier for my dad to get at. But yeah, here it is. So we have these 2 buttons here on this side, that one and that one. That basically raises the top half of the bed up so you can sit up. So that one raises it, that one lowers it. And then these 2 buttons here on the other side are for the foot of the bed. Again, this one raises it up and the other one raises it down. So if you have both the head and the foot raised slightly and you want it flat again, you can obviously click that button or that button to put them down, or for ease and quickness, you just press that middle button and it puts all the settings back to neutral again, so the bed is nice and flat. So let's put you back out. I'm gonna lie down on the bed. It's a hard job, but someone's got to do it. And we'll have a play and I'll show you what the bed looks like. I'll raise the top and then I'll raise the bottom of the bed and yeah, you can see. Right, so I'm lying down, maxing and relaxing, and I want to sit up. Let's sit up. Let's go all the way up. It goes quite far up. Wow, yeah, so that is the bed fully up and you're sitting quite straight up, which is fantastic. Let's put this down and then we'll put the bottom half up for the legs. So before I put the bed down, just to quickly show you what it looks like back there. So obviously there's the headboard, the bed's up, so it's like a pit of nothingness. There's the back of the mattress and what it looks like. And there we go, all flat. So I don't know if you're going to see that on the bottom half. Let me move the camera. So let's put the legs up. So the way that it goes at the moment, it's supposed to bend at the knee, but the way that the mattress is, it's not really letting it, which is a little bit strange. But you can see there where the bed is, and the mattress lifts up. And presuming with time the mattress would just sit there. So if I try and press the mattress down, you can see where the bed's supposed to be. But yeah, if you need your legs up, this is what you do. And let's fold myself in half and bring the top half up too and see what happens. So there you go, the bottom half of the bed is raised, the top half of the bed is raised, and this is what it looks like. So again, you can press each button if you want to lower each one, or you can just press the middle one and if you take your finger off it stops. But yeah, just keep your finger on the middle one and both of them decline. And there we go, we are flat again. Yeah, so I'm really loving this bed. This mattress is so comfortable. You can see I've literally just hung the remote control on the drawer of the bedside table just there. Yeah, the mattress feels lovely and soft, and lying on it, it is soft, but it's not too soft. And it's not too firm either. I can't describe it. It's just very nice. Right, so as you can see, here's the bed, and then there is the label on the bed, and it has some information on there. So as you can see, this is a body ease mattress. It is made, created and designed in Britain. It says comfort, quality and reliability. Electro reflexer, layer of reflex foam, layer of high density foam, breathable two-way stretch soft touch fabric, micro quilted cover, hypoallergenic, non-turn mattress. Hi guys, so what do you think of the bed? Personally, I love this bed. I absolutely love it. I'm really jealous of my dad. I might just kick him out of this bed and steal it for myself. No, I'll try not to. But no, I don't regret my purchase at all. So basically it's £30 off £1,000. Let's just say £1,000. It's a lot of money. It's a hell of a lot of money, but you're getting a lot of bed for your purchase. The quality feels absolutely amazing. My experience with their customer services and buying the bed in general has been fantastic. I cannot fault that at all. Pretty much perfect experience, which was amazing. They did call me back as well today, just to say he's been in touch with the suppliers and they can actually do this size bed, the base, in 2 parts to make it easier to get it up. But yeah, I told them no, it's absolutely fine. We did manage to get it up here, although we did damage our banister. We dismantled and smashed up our banister to get it up here, and the wall took a little bit of a hit too. But yeah, I told him no, thank you so much, we really appreciate your time calling me back, and that we've sorted it for ourselves. But yeah, the bed is amazing. I absolutely love this bed. It's been fantastic. I can't wait to dress it up. A nice duvet, got some nice pillows, and some lovely bedding to put on here and dress it up. But yeah, fantastic guys. Love it. So that actually concludes this video. I hope that you have liked it. Please remember, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.